right, put the cinnamon in your mouth.
Okay.
Try to swallow it. Swallow it like you do semen. Swallow it, come on.
Don't.
Oh no.
Garbage can. If you're not gonna actually,
he's gonna make it
you're
work.
not eating it. Spit it out the garbage can.
It'll rinse down. It'll be okay.
You got a spew?
There is no doing that. I agree now.
I can do it. I can do it.
That's a lot of cinnamon.
Oh, that's real bad.